I took my love for computers and it just extended down to digital semiconductor. And once I discovered how that worked, I knew that's where I wanted to continue to work within. And then we happened to have a company here in town that did exactly that. My name is Montana Reid, and I graduated from UBC Okanagan, the School of Engineering, in 2010. So after 11 years of working at ESS Technology, I decided it was time to do something else. I've been retired, quote unquote, since the very end of 2017. I've worked at the college part-time as an electrical engineering teacher in their ELEM program. I've put solar panels on my roof and rewired my house to run off batteries and solar panels and write things like open source code that hundreds or thousands of people might use. And I just try to find cool, fun things to keep me occupied. I think it's probably more impactful to be doing these things that target more people and hopefully spread my love for electrical engineering than to be working for somebody and doing things like data entry or programming or debugging something that might never see the light of day. The School of Engineering definitely impacted me in that I wouldn't have been employed without it. Somebody happened to send an email out to ESS Technology saying, hey, you should come and check out these projects. And they happened to show up and they happened to hire me. And that's one instance of where something the university did, perhaps behind the scenes, affected my life. Even if it wasn't the engineering program, it could be things like the residence advisor program, and then the people at the university, teachers and professors who meant a lot to me and who I still keep in touch with. It's a lot of my best friends were met in the engineering program as well as the rest of campus, and they've made me the type of person I am nowadays. You spend 5 years anywhere, it's going to impact you. And there are lots of areas of the university that impacted me. The future I would like to see is where we're enabling people in general to learn not just the how things work, but the why things work the way they do. But that's where I'd like to see myself, is in some sort of position where I'm doing some sort of teaching. It doesn't have to be at UBC Okanagan, although I would love that to happen. It doesn't have to be at the college. The best place would really be online. And so that's where I'm going to tailor my energies going forward, is releasing things like open source code. And hopefully I learn some interesting things, hopefully they learn some interesting things. And I think that would be a nice future for me, and I think it would be a nice future for other people if I could see more of that happening as well.